ONNX stands for Open Neural Network Exchange. It is an open source format built to represent machine learning models in a very easy way. The primary purpose of this ONNX is that it is not only an open source format, but it also allows interchangeability between various deep learning frameworks. Now you can integrate PyTorch with this ONNX, which brings more power to it. With this PyTorch integration with ONNX, the developers now have been empowered to move the models between different platforms with ease, and this has a very huge implications for optimizing the inference and deployment. Off the bat, I can quickly see two use cases. First is, as I mentioned, interoperability, when you need to use or deploy a PyTorch model in a different framework or platform. Secondly, this is going to hugely optimize the inference, and you can leverage platform specific optimization for faster inference. And this is going to allow you flexibility plus ease of deployment. Now, in this video, not only you have now the understanding of this open neural network exchange or ONNX, what it is. Plus, let me show you a quick code sample which I got from internet that how to integrate PyTorch with this ONNX with ease. I'm running it in my Google Colab and I'm just simple using simple CPU, so no need for any GPU or stuff. The first thing we need to do is to install the ONNX and then I'll show you the code. So let me show it. So let's go with it. Let me first walk you through what this code is doing. This code in the first two line is installing the ONNX and its runtime so that we could use it. Then we are importing the Torch module because it is already installed in Google Colab. If you are using it on your Linux system or Windows, then you would need to install the Torch first. And then we are obtaining the models module from this model function from this Torch vision. Now, then we are going with our usual ResNet 18 model with as we imported this library, and ResNet 18 is a convolutional neural network or CNN that is 18 layer deep. You can load a pre-trained version of the network trained on more than a million images from the ImageNet database. Also, the pre-trained network can classify images into 1,000 object categories such as keyboard, mouse, pencil, and many other animals. So this is ResNet 18 is. Okay. Then we are evaluating this model. Then we are giving it some weights by generating it through random, and then we are exporting this model into ONNX format by using the ONNX.export function. And you can see that the new will be resnet18.ONNX. And then we are importing the runtime of ONNX, creating a session, giving it some input, generating the output, and printing the result. So it is going to print out some of the result from the code which we are giving. So and the output should have the inference output. So let me run it. First, it is going to install these two libraries, which it is doing. Then it is the runtime is being installed, and then we are importing, and there you go. How quick it is! So it has these all outputs are in the numeric format, because that is what LLMs understand, and then it is being converted into the numbers. And this is all the inference output is, and then later on when you embed it in your model, you can convert it into tokens or text or images or whatever your output format is. But the main crux of this video is that how easy it is to convert a model into this open neural network exchange. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.